Durant may not have reached all his personal goals during the 2024-25 NBA season, but he still finished his 17th year with an impressive 26.6 points per game. While his on-court performance remained elite, Nike Basketball continued to expand his legacy through footwear. Alongside new signature releases, Nike is expected to bring back the iconic Nike KD6 from 2013 during the 2025-26 NBA season. This move follows Nike Basketball's successful trend of reviving fan-favorite models from the past decade. The KD4 has already enjoyed a strong return, making the KD6 a natural next step. The KD6 All-Star colorway holds special history, as Durant wore it during the 2014 All-Star Game where he scored 38 points for the Western Conference. The upcoming retro is expected to stay true to the original with its bold multicolor design, glow details, and eye-catching graphics. The release is expected on February 27, 2026, priced at $145.